Good morning. Today I'm going to continue with the chemistry chapter. Students, let us see today clothing and chemistry. Our ancestors used leaves to hide and protect their bodies. Later, animal skins and vegetation were adapted as protection from weather conditions. Around 3000 BC, production of silk through silkworm through silkworm through silkworm was started in China. And the use of cotton was started in India. And use of cotton was started in India. There are two types of fibers. Now let us discuss what are they. One is the natural fibers and other one is the synthetic fibers. First, let us see what are natural fibers. Natural fibers. Natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. They are obtained from plants and animals. Examples for natural fiber: cotton, linen, hemp fibers, etc. Now let us see what are synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical substances. So synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical substances. Synthetic fibers are usually long-lasting, waterproofing, and color fastness. All these properties make the synthetic fibers more popular. Let us see a few examples of synthetic fiber. Example for synthetic fiber, that is sterling. Sterling is made up of ethylene glycol and terpentalic acid Next lesson, let us see nylon. Nylon is made up of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Even though the synthetic fibers have been very popular, but there are certain disadvantages of using synthetic fibers. They can cause allergy and stickiness, and even they can catch fire easily. So this is about clothing and chemistry. Students, let us see now chemicals in medicine. What are medicines? Medicines are chemical substances used for the treatment, cure, and prevention of diseases. So medicines are chemical substances used for the treatment, cure, and prevention of diseases. Medicines can be either obtained by plants, animals, or it can be prepared chemically. By using chemicals. Medicines can be classified into different categories based on the purpose. So let us see one by one now. First one is the antibiotics. First one is the antibiotics. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are chemical compounds used to prevent the infection caused by microorganism caused by microorganism microorganisms, either by inhibiting their growth or by killing them. So this is about antibiotics. So antibiotics are chemical compounds used to prevent the infection or caused by microorganisms, either by inhibiting their growth inhibiting their growth or by killing them Antibiotics can be either taken in the form of pills or in the form of injections. Let us see a few examples of antibiotics: penicillin, amoxicillin, streptomycin, etc. Natural antibiotic. Pepper is a good example for natural antibiotic. Next, let us see analgesic. Second one is the analgesic. Analgesics are medicine used to relieve pain. They are mainly used to relieve pain. Example for analgesic: aspirin, paracetamol, etc. Next, let us see what is antipyretics. Third one is the antipyretics. Antipyretics. What are antipyretics? Antipyretics are medicines used to reduce fever. Example for antipyretic: aspirin and paracetamol. Natural antibiotic, that is, tulsi can be used as a natural antibiotic. Next, let us see antiseptics. Antiseptics are medicines used to prevent the growth of microorganisms. To prevent the growth of microorganisms. Example for antiseptics, that is natural antiseptics: neem leaves, marigold, turmeric, etc. Common man-made antiseptic. Example, that is tincture of iodine. Next, let us see the next one, that is the fifth one, antihistamines. Antihistamines are medicines used to cure allergic reaction. Medicines used to cure allergic reactions. Example, rashes, breathlessness, etc. Now the last one is antacid. and acid. And acid are medicines used to give relief when excess amount of acid is produced in the stomach. For example, milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium. It gives relief for the burning sensation or the stomach pain caused due to acidity. And it is a suspension of magnesium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide with water. Milk of magnesium is a suspension of magnesium hydroxide with water. So students, this is how the medicines have been classified based on their purpose. So first one we have discussed antibiotics, second one is analgesic, third one is antipyretics, fourth one is antiseptics, fifth one is antihistamines, and sixth one is antacid. So students, let us have a look what we have learned today. There is clothing and chemistry, two types of fibers, that is natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Why synthetic fiber became very popular? Then we have learned about medicines. What is medicine? Then how the medicines have been classified on the base of purpose. With this, let me wind for today, children. Thank you.